I set up my parents' robot lawnmower in under an hour. No wires, no antenna, no drama. And look, I didn't think that was going to happen. I told my wife before I left, here goes my whole Saturday. Because I've done this before, I know what robot mower setup looks like. You're outside, running boundary wires, setting up antennas, fighting with an app that doesn't make sense, and then trying to map the yard, which usually takes forever. That's not what happened here. This is a Segway Navimow X430. And real quick, before I get into the setup, let me tell you what this thing is actually built for. Because it's not some lightweight mower for a flat little yard. It's got a 17-inch cutting deck, 12 blades, all-wheel drive, zero turn, covers up to a full acre, and can handle an 84% slope rating. I had to double check that one. Most of these mowers aren't even close to that. It's got 360-degree obstacle detection that can recognize over 200 types of objects, GPS navigation, combined with an onboard camera so it stays on track even under trees. And there's no subscription fee for the navigation. You buy it once, and that's it. RTK forever. So I get over to my parents' place, pull it out of the box, and I'm already mentally writing off the rest of my day. Download the app, make an account, and it walks me through the whole thing, step by step. Base station, software updates, yard mapping, everything. Then the best part. It tells me right there in the app, the signal's strong enough, I don't even need the extra antenna. No antenna setup. So I set up the base, mapped the yard, and this thing was mowing grass. I was back home before I even thought I'd be done setting it up. Here's the thing that actually impresses me the most, though. The turning. Most robot mowers use skid steer type turning. They drag the wheels, turn sideways, change directions. But you do that on soft ground and you're tearing up your lawn every single time it makes a pass. The X430 uses articulating steering. The wheels actually turn. It arcs into the next row cleanly, no ruts, no mud, grass stays looking good. That's the kind of thing you don't think about until you've seen a cheaper mower destroy a lawn. You got a bigger yard with some hills, some obstacles, and you're tired of pushing a mower around, this is the one to look at. Check out the link in the description and subscribe if you're looking for more cool content like this.